Laris Chica, ito ang nagpapatunay na ang Donbell ay hindi fan service, hindi laro lang at trabaho lang, kundi tunay silang nagmamahalan. And did you notice what Belle said? It's babe. Kaya hindi ako nag-aalala. Donbell is always here to stay. Simply put, you just don't do that to your co-star. Believing and trusting them is a choice. May you find a reason to believe them.